how to copy Facebook page link. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to copy the link to your Facebook page or any Facebook page. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So first, if you're trying to share a link or copy a link to your Facebook page, all you need to do is first select the three lines in the top left and switch to the profile for that Facebook page. So you can select this little arrow or just select the Facebook page if it's right there. So once you switch to that page, all you need to do is then select your profile icon to navigate to your Facebook page, select the circle with the three dots in the top right, and then scroll down to the bottom. And if you select your page link, it'll copy it. You can also share profile, and that will basically share that link using the app on your phone. Now, if it's not a Facebook page that you own, simply navigate to the Facebook page within the Facebook app, select the circle with the three dots in the top right. And once you do that, you'll see at the bottom, it says Gauging Gadgets page link, where if I select that, it's going to give me the option to continue, and then it will copy the link to that Facebook page. I also have the option to share the profile or invite my friends. So that's how you find Facebook page link. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.